Hi boys and girls, today we're going to be working on lesson 12.3, Customary Units of Weight. And when we think of weight, we think of a scale and how heavy something is. Ounces and pounds are customary units of weight. So, in other words, we measure weight by using ounces and pounds. A ton is a unit of weight that is equal to 2,000 pounds. A slice of bread weighs about 1 ounce. Some loaves of bread weigh about 1 pound. So here we have an ounce, which is 1 slice of bread, and then we have a whole loaf of bread, which is about 1 pound. How does the size of an ounce compare to the size of a pound? Step 1. You know a slice of bread weighs about 1 ounce. Below is a drawing of a loaf of bread that weighs about 1 pound. Number each slice of bread starting with 1. So we have a slice of bread is 1 ounce and a loaf of bread is 1 pound. You've seen here that they numbered each slice 1. They began with 1 and went all the way up to 16. So there are 16 slices of bread. Step 2. Complete the sentence. In the loaf of bread shown above, there are 16 slices of bread. So we have 16 slices of bread. And remember, each slice is about 1 ounce. Step 3. Compare the size of 1 ounce to the size of 1 pound. There are 16 ounces in 1 pound. So remember, each slice is 1 ounce, and we have 16 of them. So there are 16 ounces, and we know the entire loaf of bread weighs about 1 pound. So 1 pound is 16 times as heavy as 1 ounce. This is a good reference to have, and it's also on your measurement reference sheet. And it says customary units of weight. 1 pound equals 16 ounces. 1 ton is 2,000 pounds. Let's try some problems together. Number 1. 2 pounds equals blank ounces. I know 1 pound equals 16 ounces. So think, 2 times 16 equals 32. So 2 pounds equals 32 ounces. Number 2, 2 tons equals blank pounds. I know 1 ton equals 2,000 pounds. So 2 times 2,000 equals 4,000. So 2 tons equals 4,000 pounds. Number 3, 7 pounds equals blank ounces. I know 1 pound equals 16 ounces. So I need to think. That's 7 times 16 for 16 ounces equals 112. So 7 pounds equals 112 ounces. Number 4, 4 pounds equals blank ounces. I know 1 pound equals 16 ounces, so I need to multiply 4 for the 4 pounds times the 16 for the 16 ounces equals 64. So 4 pounds equals 64 ounces. Number 5, 3 tons equals blank pounds. Remember, 1 ton equals 2,000 pounds. So 3 for 3 tons times 2,000 pounds equals 6,000. So 3 tons equals 6,000 pounds. And finally, number 6. 10 pounds equals blank ounces. I know 1 pound equals 16 ounces. So I need to multiply 10 times 16, which is 160. So 10 pounds times 16 ounces is 10 pounds equals 160 ounces.